Very good morning, dear students. So, today it's Friday, so we'll be doing English. We are moving to the sixth chapter of English prose, that is shadow and light. Yes, you are familiar with these two words, the shadow and the light. Yes, shadow matlab parchai and light is because of which we can see the shadow. Yes, shadow is sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller, sometimes equal to our size. Yes, so in this chapter we'll be seeing some art which are made or which are created, some artistic work created by the shadow effects. Okay, then we'll be seeing that how the light or how much time the light takes to reach the earth. Okay, regarding that, then we have a beautiful poem about shadow, then about moth and the star, the dream. A moth, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ इंसेक्ट, बटरफ्लाई जैसा इंसेक्ट होता है ना, जो लाइट के पास ऐसा उड़ उड़ के आता है रात को सब. यस, सो विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इट एंड ऑल. सो लेट अस क्विकली स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर. यस, Activity 1, My Shadow by Robert Louis Stevenson. You can also term him as R.L. Stevenson. So it's a poem by him. So let us first read the poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. One morning, very early, before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an arrant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So the explanation goes like, the poet, the speaker of the poem, he is saying कि he has a shadow. Okay, उसका एक छोटा सा shadow है जो उनके साथ आता है और जाता है. ठीक है, एंड कभी कभी आपको ज़्यादातर उसे देखने मिलता है. ओके, समटाइम्स यू सी कि हमारा शैडो हमसे पहले चला जाता है ना. सो येस, सो ही इज सेइंग कि व्हाट कैन बी द यूज़ ऑफ हिम इज़ मोर देन आई कैन सी. मेरे से ज़्यादा वो तुमको दिख सकता है, मेरा शैडो. येस, एंड ही इज़ वेरी वेरी लाइक मी, एंड योर शैडो विल बी लाइक यू ओनली ना. ऊपर से नीचे तक या नीचे से ऊपर तक, इट्स सिमिलर टू यू, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक you. So just like the speaker is his shadow. Yes, and I see him jump from before me when I jump into my bed, and at the night before you go to the bed, अब जैसे ही बेड पे जाओगे उससे पहले तुम्हारा शैडो चला जाता है. मतलब if you switch off the light, the shadow is gone. Yes, so you cannot see the shadow, so it goes before you go. Okay, and the funniest thing about him is that he always like to grow. Shadow always grows like एक 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 धीरे धीरे नहीं, वो बहुत जल्द ज़्यादा ही लंबा हो जाता है, फिर ज़्यादा ही छोटा हो जाता है. तो वो बच्चों की तरह नहीं है. छोटे बच्चों का ग्रोथ तुमने देखा होगा ना, धीरे 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 होता है. लाइक यू ऑल पीपल, फर्स्ट यू अ टॉडलर्स, येस, देन यू ग्रू अप, then you came to play center, then junior kg, senior kg, gradually you are growing up, and now you are in the 6th standard. Yes, but our growth is in a slower pace, but shadow is not like that, it grows very fast. Okay, and apart from that he is saying, for he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. Like the rubber ball, it goes up to certain height na. Likewise, the height of the shadow also goes, it grows taller and taller. Yes, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. और कभी कभी इतना छोटा हो जाता है कि दिखाई भी नहीं देता है. Yes, and now he is saying that one morning, अब शैडो कब दिखता है? जब लाइट है. तो वो वही बता रहे हैं कि एक बार सुबह जब राइटर के स्पीकर जो है पोएम के वो उठे थे सुबह, तो उस टाइम पे सन नहीं आया था. ठीक है, तो लाइट तो नहीं था. सो ही जस्ट वेंट टू सी द ब्यूटिफुल ड्यूज ऑन द बटरकप्स. Buttercups are a kind of flowers. See the image. This is the buttercup. Okay, so he had seen dews on the buttercup, but उस टाइम पे उनका शैडो जो था वो कहाँ पे था? वो बेड पे ही था, वो सो रहा था. बिकॉज सनराइज नहीं हुआ एंड कोई भी लाइट नहीं था, तो डेफिनेटली हमारा शैडो का रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं दिखेगा, है ना. तो शैडो ही सेइंग वो रेस्ट कर रहा था तभी भी, भले ही वॉज हैविंग a view of the dew. That is, he was enjoying that morning before the sunrise, and that time his shadow was completely asleep in the bed. Okay, so this is the poem by R.L. Stevenson. Okay, next is activity 5. Activity 5 is talking about shadowgraphy. Yes, so it is regarding shadowgraphy. What is shadowgraphy? It is an interesting art wherein you use your hands, okay, your fingers, etc. to form various shapes via the shadow. मतलब आपका हाथ का जो रिफ्लेक्शन है, ठीक है, आपका हाथ का जो शैडो है उससे आप अलग अलग शेप्स फॉर्म कर सकते हो. वो बर्ड का शेप हो सकता है, किसी का चेहरा हो सकता है, ठीक है. सो एक्चुअली ये जो आर्ट था ये बहुत टाइम से फेमस था. यूरोपियन ट्रैवलर्स व्हेन दे ट्रैवल टू चाइना, दे हैव लर्नड एट दैट टाइम this kind of art, but that time people used to use the puppets. Puppet show होता है ना, वो कठपुतलियाँ we say ना. Yes, so using those puppets people used to form the shadow and they used to narrate the story. It was a kind of stage play people used to conduct for entertainment, okay, long back. But later sometime people started doing the shadowgraphy via their own hands. Okay, yes, a boy named Felician Trevay, okay, he was only 15 years of age when he left his home, and because he wanted to become a performer, a magician, and he also became, yes, definitely he became the famous magician and the performer, but he was rather more popular for his hand shadows. Okay, the hand shadows that he used to do, for that he became more popular. He liked to make his hands look like the shadows of the famous people. मतलब जो बड़े बड़े पर्सनालिटीज़ है, ठीक है, बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं, वो लोगों के शेप में वो अपने हैंड को मोल्ड करता था कि when he used to show the shadow it depicted some person. ओके, यू विल फील लाइक ओके दिस इज दिस पर्सन लाइकवाइज. ठीक है, हाँ, मतलब चेहरा का शैडो बनाता था. यस. Another is there is a scientific evidence that when you do the shadow art, okay, what happens is, that is when you do the hand shadow art, it activates a part of the brain called the Broca's area. Okay, what is this Broca's area famous for? The Broca's area, when it gets developed, it starts activated na, at that time your language acquisition skill, okay, that also enhances. आपका जो language सीखने का जो ये होता है स्पीड होता है ना, वो काफ़ी इम्प्रोवाइज हो सकता है. तो अगर आप भी हैंड शैडो सीखोगे ना, तो आपका जो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्किल्स एंड ऑल कैन इम्प्रूव इन अ बेटर वे. So try it. I'll be sharing a small video of the hand shadows which you can try. Okay, they are showing how they are placing their fingers, so you can go through it, you can try at your home. What you have to do is, if you're trying to do it, you should have a good bright light room. Okay, the room should be with a proper light, and on the blank wall the shadow must be visible. Okay, Yes, and the best and the easiest one that you can try is of the bird. See, they have given on that page number 50. You can go through it. How they have shown bird via the two hands. How they have placed the position. You can go through it. Okay, understood? Activity 6, I had told you that I am sharing a video. So after this activity I'll be sharing one video. I'll explain you what you have to do. Here actually they have shown us the shadow of a goose and a camel via the hands. Okay, हम लोग ने shadow art दिखाया है hand के through और दो animals को cover किए. That is, one is a bird, that is a goose, and another is a animal, that is camel. Okay, what you have to do is you have to work on your own hands. Okay, via your hands you will be forming the shadow, and you have to practice the English phrases. हम phrases use करते हैं ना, group of words जो completely नहीं होते लेकिन meaning understood होता है. तो ऐसे कुछ कुछ phrases आपको use करने हैं, जैसे आप describe करोगे कि आपने वो shadow कैसे form किया. For example, अगर आपको bird का shadow बताना है, so you can say my left palm comes to the right side, my right palm comes to the left, then interlock them, the thumbs get interlocked. Okay, then flap the fingers, so move the fingers in a wavy direction towards the inside so that it appears like a bird. ओके तो यहाँ पे मैंने जो फ्रेजेस यूज़ किए वैसे आप किसी को डिस्क्राइब करोगे कि हाँ ओके लाइक वाइज यू कैन फॉर्म द शैडो. तो व्हाट योर पीपल विल डू इज यू विल मेक अ स्मॉल वीडियो ऑफ few seconds, maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, and you will be showing the shadow of any animal. I'm sharing a small video in which you have many references. Go through it, उसमें देखो कि कैसा फॉर्म कर रहे हैं और वैसे आप प्रैक्टिस करो और एक शैडो आर्ट फॉर्म करके विद द फ्रेज. ओके, फर्स्ट टेक दिस फिंगर, होल्ड इट लाइक दैट, ऐसे बोल बोल के आपको वीडियो लेना है एंड यू हैव टू सेंड इट टू मी ऑन द मेल. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? इट शुड नॉट बी वेरी लॉन्ग, जस्ट 1 minute. उसके अंदर एक या दो शैडो आप बता सकते हो, एटलीस्ट 1 शैडो, दैट्स इट. क्लियर? ओके. Yes, activity 7, A Moth with a Dream, adapted from The Moth and the Star by James Thurber. So the story is about a moth. Moth is a kind of insect. It looks like a butterfly and it generally flies near the lights. Okay, रात को जब आप lights डालते हो या whenever, उस time पे generally it's seen during the night time only. It flies around the lights or the bulbs, the tube lights. ठीक है, हाँ, तो that is a moth and so the story is about a young moth. Okay, एक छोटा सा moth था, उसको स्टार बहुत पसंद था. ठीक है, so every day he used to look at a star and he fell in love with the star. Okay, so every day the moth would say that he want to reach the star, and his mother told that it is not easy to reach the star. Of course, stars are very far away from our earth, you all know that. Yes, it's almost 4 and one third light years, that is 40,000 trillion kilometers away from our earth. Yes, so still the moth used to say नहीं नहीं मुझे तो स्टार के पास ही जाना है. ठीक है. So every day when his family members, that is his mother, father and his brother and sister, when they used to flew around the lights, the street lights, the house lamps, etc., where they usually go, but this moth, what he used to do is he used to fly towards the star every day. He had a dream that he want to reach the star, so every day he would go by night flying towards the star, but he never reaches there, and in the morning he used to come back being tired. So one day his mother already warned him, and she explained him that stars are not easy to catch, you cannot reach there, so better is that you come with us. But he said, no, I will chase the stars only. Then one day even his father told him that, what are you doing? See, your brothers are burning their wings, how much they have burned by flying around the street lights. Your sisters have burned their wings by flying around the house lamps. And look at yourself, you haven't burned us, you are not possessing even a single bug. What are you doing these many days? Okay, are you afraid of being burnt? So he said that I was not afraid. So he felt that his ego is getting hurt, and he also wanted to reach the star, and he thought that if he stays at his father's home he won't be able to do that. So he left his father's home and he used to live alone. And every day when he grew, after he grew up also, every day in the night he would just go chasing for the star. He used to believe that the star is at the top of a long tree. A big tree was there, so at the end of that tree he will get the star. He used to feel that the stars have been jammed up in the branches of the tree, so he used to fly towards it. Okay, and but he never reached over there. Yes. So and as he grew older, he had wavering thoughts in his mind. Okay, अलग अलग thoughts उसके mind में आते थे, and the thoughts used to say that he used to believe that he has reached the star. Okay, and then he started talking to people about his achievement, as he was the only member living from his family. उसके mom dad, उसके जो भी brother sisters थे, they all burnt at a very younger age. But this moth, he chased the star, that is he chased after his dream for the whole life. Even though he achieved it or not, that is not what he is discussing. He is saying that he ran after his dreams only, and he tried to fulfill them even till the last moment. Okay, so likewise, he whenever he is narrating his story regarding this, though the people might feel that it's a quite boredom and what he is bluffing out, still he is happy to share that he has chased his dreams. Okay, so you should also have your own dream, chase for it, try to fulfill it. Okay. Activity 9. So they are saying that we began with the unit, our unit, with the concept of shadow and light, with a poem about shadows. Now let us finish the unit with the poem on light. So basically they have given us 3 poems, and all the 3 poems are on light. Yes, so I'll read out the first one, but you can see the very first letter of each of the line of all the 3 poems are L, I, G, H, T. But all the 3 are in different phones. Yes, अलग अलग handwritings में है. Yes, so let us read out the poem. Lend me a candle, I'll set it right. I'll set it alight. Give me your hand, hold it tight. Together we walk out of the dark. So the speaker is saying कि मुझे एक कैंडल दो, मैं उसको जला दूँगा. मुझे तुम्हारा हाथ दो, मैं उसको टाइटली होल्ड करूँगा, और हम साथ में ये अंधेरे से पास आउट होंगे. मतलब ये जो घड़ी है लाइफ की, सैडनेस, हम सबके लाइफ में आता है ना, एक फेज़ आता है व्हेन वी आर ऑल ब्रोकन, वी थिंक लाइक हमसे कुछ नहीं हो सकता. सो एट दैट टाइम you will have the support of the hand of an unknown person. or the Almighty. Okay, and the poet is talking about that support, that hold my hand tight. Okay, and we will pass through it. That is, this too shall pass, will come out of it. Okay, come to the second poem. Look how dark it is. I don't have a torch. Go to the wall. Here is the switch. Turn on the light. देखो कितना अंधेरा है और मेरे पास तो टॉर्च भी नहीं. जाओ, जाके लाइट चालू करो, स्विच ऑन करो और लाइट को चालू करो. सो इट्स जस्ट अ सिंपल वर्डिंग. या लाइट in sun's rays go up, down and around, hit, bounce and bend to make my shadow dance. Yes, so another poem is about from where does the light come. It comes from the sun's rays. Sometime it goes up, sometime it goes down, and sometime it spreads, that is goes around. It hits somewhere, it bounces, and sometimes it bends, and in such a way it forms our shadow. Now what we will do in activity 10 is, आपको ये जो लाइट है LIGHT, वो लाइट को अलग अलग फॉन्ट में लिखना है. LIGHT ऐसे अलग कोई डिज़ाइन में लिखना है. एंड यू विल ऑल्सो फ्रेम अ स्मॉल पोएम ऑन लाइट, जैसे हम लोग भी फॉर्म करते हैं ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव वेरियस वर्ड्स. Yes, suppose words like VIP. Okay, VIP करके words, it's a abbreviation form. Very important person. ठीक है, VIP मतलब very important person. तो मैंने V लिखा, फिर I लिखा नीचे, फिर P लिखा. तो V के आगे मैंने very लिखा, I के आगे important, P के आगे person. उस तरीके से आपको भी light word जो है LIGHT, आपको उसका भी ऐसा एक फॉर्म करना है. इट्स अप टू यू, आप कैसे भी वर्ड यूज़ करो, लेकिन मेक श्योर दैट यू कैन यूज़ इट अकॉर्डिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म लाइट. ठीक है, लाइट जो है उसके मतलब शैडो के रिलेट यूज़ कर लो, लाइट के रिलेट यूज़ कर लो, मतलब कुछ भी वैसा रिफ्लेक्शन के रिलेटेड यू कैन यूज़ द वर्ड्स और द टर्म्स. फ्रेजेस भी चलेगा, बट मेक श्योर कि वो है जो है वो L से शुरू हो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड वाला I से, थर्ड वाला G से, फोर्थ वाला H से, एंड द लास्ट वन T. ऐसे LIGHT. जैसे ये पोएम में देखो, जो लाइट वर्ड है उसी से फर्स्ट उसी को उन लोग ने फर्स्ट लेटर बना दिया है, एंड देन द लाइन बिगिंस. तो वैसे कुछ आपको बनाना है. ठीक है, दैट इज इन एक्टिविटी 10. सो आई होप यू हैव गॉन थ्रू द whole video, understood. So today we'll be having a meet session. Okay, so during that we'll discuss the remaining activity, and I'll send you the photographs of the remaining activity by evening. You can jot it down. Okay, that's it. Have a nice day.